क्लैट ऐसा है कि एवरी कॉम्पिटिशन इज़ द सेम ओनली. अगर तुम्हें निकालना है तो तुम्हें खुद करना पड़ेगा, सिर्फ बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता. आई बिलीव अगर करूँगी तो अगर मैं अपनी मेहनत करूँगी तो आई कैन क्रैक इट. द ओनली थिंग इज़ दैट यू हैव टू डू समथिंग. सो आई एम देविशी निहाल and I'm currently studying at Bharat Law Institute. It is a coaching center that is helping me prepare for CLAT and I think it's wonderful. When we talk about the faculty, all the teachers are wonderful in the sense that nobody leaves us having a doubt. If there is a doubt, they would encourage us to talk and even give the answer at that point. And if they do not give at that point, then there will be a reason. For example, if my teacher said that it's not right for right now, so it will be something because I have not studied about it and we'll talk about it later. And when we're talking about ranking, I suppose on top will be Shweta ma'am, then Rajat sir, then Deepak sir, and then Mohan sir. For me, I put Shweta ma'am on top because she does not only teach me legal over here or GK, but she also teaches me about life. And if I have any problem, I can convey it to her. She's like basically a good therapist for me, so that whenever I have any problem, she discusses with me, and she never tells me an answer. She talks with me, and in that conversation only, I find the answer myself only. So that's something very nice I like about it. I have 9-10 batchmates. 2 of them are from my school. Aditya, he's my best friend, so we know he's very much into this, and I really like his dedication that no matter what's the schedule, no matter what activities there, he will always have time for legal and CLAT and everything. I like that about him. And when we talk about others, for example, Chirag, he's a nice guy and a very competitive one. We are always into fights and all that, in friendly fights in the classroom when we are doing anything. And if we talk about Vismya, she's my junior, but she has a lot of knowledge and she just needs to have a lot of confidence to portray it. Otherwise, she's the one who makes the class really interesting every time. And other children are in the morning batch because our batches are segregated and there are small batches, so that it helps us for personal feedbacks and everything. When we talk about environment, it's a nice and a cozy environment. It does not feel like that you're stepping out of your comfort zone even when you're doing so, because that safety and that insurance that nothing is wrong and whatever you say is right, until and unless you speak something wrong, that is fine. But it's like even if you do mistakes, it's all right. Only thing that we are taught is that do mistakes but do new ones, because if you're doing it again and again, it does not matter. Today, when the activities happened, earlier we had to have group discussions in which a topic is given to us, and then we research and then we put our points, and at the end we give a conclusion. But today, when we had the activity, everybody were divided into 2 or 3 groups and they were given certain topics which they had to explain. And I believe when they were explaining, everybody got to know a little more about that thing, as well as they understood what the other things were more, because it was now personal, on a personal basis, and it was basically said that you are something, so that created that personal connection, and that is why it was easy to understand. CLAT ऐसा है कि एवरी कॉम्पिटिशन इज़ द सेम ओनली. अगर तुम्हें निकालना है तो तुम्हें खुद करना पड़ेगा, सिर्फ बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता. आई बिलीव अगर करूँगी तो अगर मैं अपनी मेहनत करूँगी तो आई कैन क्रैक इट. The only thing is that you have to do something. So for me, I have 2-3 names. I feel Aditya, Samriddhi Didi, and me. We 3 can crack the CLAT. So today when we had our activity, after that we also met some children who had passed out of here, who cracked NLU Gujarat and NLU Patiala, and we discussed and asked them questions regarding their timetable, time management and sectional mocks and everything. So it was really helpful because they told us what to do and what not to do, and gave us a clear vision, because till now we only know what to do, but what's the reality is different, and they gave us a practical approach to everything. My name is Devi Shina and I'm signing off.